Unknown to many, the Atlatl is a weapon and tool that not only predates the American bow and arrow by some 10,000 years, but was the primary hunting implement for considerably more time than the bow and arrow's mere existence. Due to its tough-to-master learning curve, it has been thought by many in recent times to have been a weapon of poor accuracy, thrown in quantity as slow lumbering megafauna. It is men like Ryan Gill who demonstrate that the Atlatl can achieve precise and repeatable accuracy, having taken game as small as bullfrogs and as large as wild boar. Follow along as Ryan builds his Atlatl from North American river cane and hardwoods. He chips his points from silicate-rich stones, such as flints, jaspers, and agates, then attaches those points to river cane foreshafts with pine pitch and white-tailed deer sinew. The hardwood throwing stick compounds leverage and allows his stone-tipped spear to be launched with ease, yet have enough power to efficiently penetrate big game, bringing it down in a matter of seconds. Watch as Ryan demonstrates one of the ways this primitive tool was used in sustaining life across the prehistoric world.
Spot and stuff. 100%. That was a good hit. That brings the fun back in primitive hunting. You kill enough stuff with a bow, and eventually it starts getting a little lame, but kill something with an Atlatl, that's intense. Yeah,
That's bright. That's bright blood. Nice job, man.
Thank you. Yeah, he's done.
Sweet.
Killed him with an arrow.
Look at that. Look at the point.
Yep, I lost the point. Totally lost
Great
the
hit.
point. Yep.
because it angled, you
It
know,
angled back,
back.
yeah.
Actually
Wow.
entered more forward. Wow, that's what I heard rattling around.
Wow.
Congratulations, man.
Well, we're down here with Jim DeSias and Old Florida Bow Hunting. We've been friends quite a good many years now, and I called him up and I said, hey, I want to get after some pigs with an Atlatl. And so I said, let's do it over the summer, and which was a great decision because it's nice and cool. We didn't sweat at all.
Oh yeah, no, not at all.
And so we got on them this morning for sure, and totally spot and stock. We're walking down a road, and I think we got video too of it out on the road, or at least one of them.
Yeah,
So we just hung tight and didn't know what we were, because you know it's probably 80 or 100 yards down, and it ducked back in, and we just kind of slipped up and just kind of kept going at it, spotted a little bit, and then found a nice little spot where they were getting ready to bed down in some real tall grass, and I could just see that grass moving, so I knew for sure it was in there, and just snuck up on it, and just patient, and it stepped right out broadside, and it was, I don't know, what, 6 yards, 5
5 or
yards?
6
Yeah,
yards,
it was so
yeah.
close. I was afraid the dart wasn't even going to leave the thrower.
Yeah.
And but yep, didn't make quite a perfect hit. Hit it a little far back, but these darts just had, there's a nice hole. These darts got so much weight, it penetrated all the way up into the main dart, past the foreshaft, and foreshaft out the other side. We lost the stone point, unfortunately, but that's, you know, that just happens when it's shoot something with something held on with pine pitch and sinew. That's to be expected once in a while. But yep, it was definitely a fun hunt. 100% free range pigs down here at Old Florida Bow Hunting, and it was a legit spot and stock kill. So we didn't do it over bait. I mean, what an incredible experience,
Yeah,
for
man.
sure.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Great job.
Kill it with a stone point, and I brought along this really nice obsidian flake. Super sharp. Figured only fitting to go ahead and clean it out the real primitive way, for sure. I mean, this stuff is just crazy super sharp. I mean, look at that. I invite you to enjoy my future and past hunting videos by subscribing to my channel. It is my goal to inspire others to seek recreation in the great outdoors, as well as to educate people about the techniques used to nurture our own very existence. While we do not enjoy the taking of an animal's life, we do greatly relish the satisfaction of accomplishing a well-earned goal, as well as making memories with good friends to be later reflected upon over a fresh roasted stick of loins, savoring the rest to feed our families until the next chase.
We're 100% on that Atlatl hunts.
Yeah, you could do that. Let's totally redo that. No, that's
I don't care. It's fine.
No, we
It doesn't matter. It's a hunt.